I believe that everything is in God's control and is all part of God's plan for our lives. Um, Basically our lives as we live it, that the whole world will see that Jesus lives in us by our fruits, by the way we live. And I mean, I even go to public places and people would be even touched just by my smile. So I think it's very important to be open to the way God wants to use us and His plan for our lives. The desire for me to be independent and live a normal life and a full life is a dream of mine. I really just want to put limits aside and live life to the fullest and just going for it. So that's my main motivation for. I mean, I love new challenges. I mean, it was a pretty cool challenge. Working out how I'm going to brush my teeth and all that sort of stuff. But so I enjoy that sort of stuff. But it sometimes gets frustrating. It sometimes does get frustrating. But yeah, overall, my motivation would be just live life and not let anything stop me from overcoming any challenge. To overcome an obstacle, you have to first see where you are and what the obstacle is. There are a lot of things in my life that I cannot change, and obstacles have come in my way. Some have been in my control, some haven't been. Obviously, being born without arms and legs wasn't in my control, and that is a big obstacle. To overcome an obstacle, you have to realize where you are and to visualize yourself overcoming these obstacles, to focus on the positive things that we do have, using everything that we have to the best of our ability, and never giving up. I mean, overcoming big obstacles, you won't overcome it the first time, obviously, but when you fall down, God comes and gives you the strength to get up again.
I learned how to kick some tennis balls. I love playing soccer. Ready? Catch! Catch! Ah! Don't throw it back because I can't catch. Yeah? Alright. Let's start it again. What happens when we fail? Excellent, excellent. Here we go, here we go. Concentrate, focus. Hey! Is that cool? And as you saw on the screen, you saw my wheelchair, my Holden. Up the holders. Do donuts and get it sideways in the wet. It's grouse. It's so cool. Love it, love it. But anyway, getting back to the story. That's enough for showing off, I think, yeah? Yeah. All right. It was hard. It was really hard sometimes. And I had this massive list of all the things that I couldn't do and I didn't have. And I'm thinking, well, why me? Like, I'd go to the shops and like point out to people, to God. Like, I said, God, why didn't you choose her or him? Like, he looks like he could handle something like this. I just can't do it. It just got hard sometimes. I really wanted to end my life at the age of 10. I just couldn't see anything. But out of all the things that I couldn't do and I didn't have, you know what the most painful thought was? Here we go. Hi, I'm Nick Vujicic. In purchasing this video, you've enabled this message of hope to be spread out across the globe. I pray that the wonderful things that you see in my life is just a taste of the wonderful things that God has for you. May God bless you all, and I thank you so much for your prayers.